What is up and welcome to another video. I am ChillTrader. Join me today, guys. We are going to talk about Bitcoin. Where are we heading in the coming days? And of course, what is the reason for the drop and why am I selling my Bitcoin? And of course, I have prepared several charts today. We are going to look at Dogecoin, Polygon MATIC, Ethereum Classic, and of course Ethereum, guys. I've been speculating about a possible next target for Ethereum, guys. We have hit the 2,500. Now I am speculating about $3,000 Ethereum. So right now, is it the right time to buy? If you are excited, guys, join me today and let's dive right in.
All my fellas.
All my fellas, thank you for joining me today, guys. Andres Jaworski is joining us on YouTube. I haven't paid my check mark on Twitter, so I'm not live today on Twitter, guys, because they're not approving my subscription application. It's been like 3 or 4 months and it is still pending, so I have canceled my blue check subscription, but I might subscribe to it because I was not able to go on live on Twitter. So also we have Galford joining us today. Andres Jaworski, you are Ajit the Fixer. It's a surprise for me because I didn't know that you are Ajit the Fixer. I thought it's a two different person. So Andres Jaworski is one of our Discord VIPs. And also Rashad is joining us today, guys. So I have prepared several charts. We are going to discuss Bitcoin and of course the latest partnership right now, BYBIT, guys. BYBIT, latest partnership. Watch out for BYBIT, guys. I'm gonna trade on BYBIT, and of course I'm gonna share with you live trades on BYBIT. I'm gonna transfer some of my funds into BYBIT, and I'm gonna start using BYBIT as of today, guys. Official partnership today. We have also Matthios joining us, Shani as well. What is up, guys? I hope you're all doing great. It's Monday, January 22, and Bitcoin is bleeding. Most of our altcoin is bleeding, but I'm gonna share with you very important levels, guys. Very important levels today. Keep VI on your radar. Let me know, by the way, if you are accumulating VI. Might also accumulate some for long term. And by the way, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So what is happening with Bitcoin? And right now we have seen the market in red, guys. Most of the altcoins are in red. Polkadot is in bloody red right now, dropped by 5% in the past 24 hours. And of course, a lot of altcoins are bleeding. So where are we heading? And right now, most of the altcoins, guys, are hovering on a very critical support, and fear and greed index is at 55. I've warned you, we have talked about this. $48,000 pivot point for Bitcoin. So if you have watched my previous video, I've already explained the target. 48,000 previous pivot point last May 2022, and right now we have been rejected from that level. I'm going to share with you the chart today and my targets in the coming days. Fear and greed index is at 57, and we are 97 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, guys. And I've explained to you previously that we might see a correction, possible 30% correction on Bitcoin, guys. And if you have watched the gold chart and of course Bitcoin's chart, when gold ETF was approved, gold didn't made a parabolic run, but instead gold made a sideways movement for at least 3 to 5 months. And I'm expecting the same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETF got approved recently. I'm expecting a sell the news event. This was already expected, guys. If you're watching my previous streams, and I've talked about this on my previous videos. So one of the reason right now for the drop is FTX and Grayscale are dumping their Bitcoin holdings. So this is one of the latest news from CoinDesk, guys. FTX sold about $1 billion of Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, explaining much outflow sources. So this is one of the reasons why. And also, one of the posts from Look on Chain is Grayscale have deposited 15,300 BTC, or around $623 million, to Coinbase Prime, again, 15 minutes ago. So Grayscale has been selling their GBTC, guys. Since the ETF was passed, Grayscale has deposited 63,991 Bitcoin, and that is worth around $2.68 billion. So right now they are dumping, they're selling their Bitcoin, and I think this is what we are seeing on the price action right now. We're seeing Bitcoin drop. And I'm going to share with you very important levels that you need to keep an eye on.
Let's go!
Ace analysis from Shani, chart request. Sure, bro, I am just waiting for BTC correction. And if you have watched my short video about BTC, today I'm going to share with you very important levels. Where is my next accumulation zone? So if you have missed my 16,000 buy zone, if I remember correctly, I bought $10,000 worth of Bitcoin last December 2022. It was National Day. And today I bought it from 16,000. Bitcoin right now is trading at around 40,000. So almost doubled and almost tripled my BTC in just a couple of months, or about less than a year. Hi, sir. Please review Gary Network. I'm not familiar with Gary Network. OP chart, please. So I'm going to just take note of this request, and later on we are going to check it if we still have time. So today, guys, one of the reason is Grayscale selling their GBTC holding. So Bitcoin right now is hovering on a very critical support. And one tweet from Carl, guys, Carl from the moon. We have actually a CME gap, and the next level will be 39,600. And let me share with you Bitcoin's chart. So I have discussed this double bearish divergence when Bitcoin was trading at around $47,000. We have talked about the 48,500, 700 level. This was the exact level here. This level was actually the previous pivot point last March 2022. And I have discussed this on my several live stream, guys. And right now, I am speculating that Bitcoin could actually drop and touch this 38,000 level. We have this order block, guys. Order block at around 37,500 up to 38,000 level. We might get a small reaction at around 40,000 level, but we don't have much support on this level, guys. If you are going to check on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin right now is hovering on this very critical support. Look at this candle wicks right here. This will be the last level of support, guys. This is the last level of support, and we don't have much trade on this area right here. The next strong support that I will be looking at will be around 38,000 level. this will be on this level right here. So we have a huge gap here, fair value gap. Plus, of course, we have this CME gap here. So this could be filled in the coming days, and we might see Bitcoin drop or wick at around $38,000. And right now, I am holding my short position on FairDesk, guys. But I am long in some of the altcoins because right now, I'm going to share with you that we might get a short bounce from these altcoins. And of course, I'm starting to DCA, swing trade in some of these altcoins. I'm going to explain to you why in this video. So going back to Bitcoin right now is looking very bearish, guys. And I've discussed this one right here. 43,300 was my confirmation for a possible drop to this level, 40,000, guys. So we have seen Bitcoin break this level, retest at around 43,000, again rejected. And also we have this bullish support breakout point. And we have seen right now Bitcoin break down to this level. And right now we are on this very critical support, guys. If Bitcoin 4-hour candle closes below $40,300, then expect a possible drop, guys. We have small supports here, so we might see a short-term bounce at around 39,300. So next possible price action for Bitcoin, we could see a small bounce here, but of course, again, I am still looking at a possible target of 38,000. We have order blocks on the daily time frame on this level, guys. So this will be the next price action that I will be looking at for Bitcoin. So we might get a small bounce at 39,300, possible retest the 40,000 area, and then we might see a swing or wick up to $38,000. Let's see if this level will be able to hold. Then we might see another retest at around this level here. We have order block as well on this level. So this is going to be 41,500 up to $41,900. But for now, for me, this looks bearish. This chart is looking very weak. And of course, if you're going to look at the weekly time frame of Bitcoin, this candle right here is a possible reversal candle, guys. Look at this weekly. We haven't seen the weekly candle closing above $44,000, and this was one of the bearish confirmation here. So let me just delete this arrow right here so you can see this bearish candle, possible reversal candle, guys. So look at this reversal candle on the weekly time frame, huge wick, and then a what you call this, inverse hammer. So look at this, guys, possible reversal. Look at this. This was a bearish candle confirmation on the weekly time frame, similar to this one right here. This was a bullish reversal candle on the weekly time frame, and right now we are seeing this possible reversal candle, and this is going to be my DCA buy zone for long term. So watch out for 30,000 level. This was the previous breakout point for Bitcoin. We haven't seen Bitcoin retest this support yet. On the weekly time frame, Bitcoin have already reached the overbought area, and right now oscillator is looking bearish, and we might see a continuation of trend and a possible reversal up to this level right here. So DCA points that I will be looking at will be around 37 up to 38,000. That will be my first level of support. Second level of support that I will be looking at will be around $35,000. And next DCA long-term buy zone will start at around 31,000 up to $30,000 up to this possible 200 exponential moving average on the weekly time frame. So right now on the weekly time frame, we are still trading above this beautiful support trend line, and of course we are approaching the next possible 4-year cycle, guys. 2024, 2025. Let me know your prediction for Bitcoin. What is your possible all-time high, next all-time high prediction? So I am again selling when Bitcoin will reach 80,000. I'm going to sell at around 69,000. I'm going to sell some portion of my Bitcoin at $69,000, $80,000. I'm going to sell some. And of course, at around 85, probably I'm going to dump my Bitcoin, guys. So I am still very, very conservative when it comes to price action. Of course, securing profit is always my #1 priority, guys. So from 16,000, that is already 2,468, 4x from 16, more than 4x if we are going to reach $85,000 for Bitcoin. So a lot are speculating about possible $1 million target. I'm going to sell my Bitcoin at 85,000. And of course, we are going to see some corrections along the way. I'm just going to trade in and out, and I'm not going to hodl, guys. I'm not going to hodl for a very long term, because what you can see here, Bitcoin have reached 65,000 and dropped to $16,000. So if you have been holding Bitcoin from 30,000 or from $65,000 until now, you are still negative, guys. So I was able to sell this levels from 30, or I was able to sell at 64. I bought at 16,000. I'm still holding my Bitcoin. Again, I'm going to sell at around $69,000. Next selling point will be $80,000 to $85,000. That is going to be my conservative target. Even Bitcoin will reach $100,000 or 1 million. I don't care. As long as I have already made 4x, I'm just gonna start buying the dip on the next cycle and gonna continue the same process, guys. So that is going to be my plan for Bitcoin. And of course, if you want to know the latest update with my trades, where I'm buying, feel free to join the public Telegram group. Free public Telegram group. The link is on the description down below.
Let's go!
We have a question from Rashad. Can we see BTC again at 25K level? I think that is still possible, guys. 28,000 probably. That is going to be the 200 exponential moving average, and it is still possible, guys. 30% drop. Let's try to measure from the current level what will be the 30% drop. So from 48, 30% drop is going to be $33,000. So again, this is going to be my DCA for long term. Again, it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter if you believe that Bitcoin is going to reach or break the previous all-time high. It doesn't matter if you don't catch the lows, as long as you make profit along the way. That's the whole point. So it doesn't matter if you didn't catch the $16,000. If you bought at 20,000, that is still okay. You're still making profit in the long run. So my strategy is I'm going to start to DC. I'm still holding my Bitcoin at $16,000. I'm going to add more. If Bitcoin drop back to this level here, 30,000 up to 32,000 level, that is going to be my spot buy zone for long term. DCA supports, watch out for 37 to 38. Next one is 35. And the buy zone that I'm going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin will be $32,000 for long term. And again, official partnership, new partnership and sponsor, guys, BYBIT / X ChillTrader. So join me on BYBIT. I'm going to trade on BYBIT in the coming days. Exclusive benefits for referred users will be $30,000 up to $30,000 deposit blast off bonus, and you will receive a 15% free fee discount for 30 days, guys. If you're going to use my referral link in the description down below, you will get a 15% fee discount for 30 days, plus you will get up to $30,000 deposit blast off, plus deposit and trade and get access to Discord, guys. If you deposit and trade right now using my referral link, you will get access into our Discord community. Just send me a DM, send me your user ID, and well, I will give you access into our Discord. Be a part of ChillTrader's community.
Let's go!
So next one is, this is something that you need to keep an eye on. Recently, X, or Twitter, or X, created an account this January 2024. This was created January 2024. And majority right now are speculating that Elon or X would start accepting crypto payments. So one speculation could be Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin. So we need to keep an eye on Dogecoin. And one account on Twitter have posted about this MACD. This is the first ever MACD golden cross, guys, on the weekly time frame of Dogecoin. So we could see a possible similar to 2021 parabolic run.
Let's go!
So looking at Dogecoin weekly time frame, according to trader tardigrade, this previous chart right here, 2021, which we have seen a parabolic run on Dogecoin chart, this could actually repeat right now. And looking at the weekly time frame, we have this first ever MACD golden cross, guys, on the weekly time frame. So right now, that is why I'm also going on long on Dogecoin here. Small amount, isolated position. I am going on long on Dogecoin, and my Bitcoin trade right now is on a very good profit, guys. $800, very good profit. And of course, create an account on FairDesk as well. Today, there was another winner. Congratulations for the user ID 485546. You have won $100 giveaway. The bonus is in your account. So in order for you to qualify, all you have to do is just to head over to FairDesk or check out the link in the description down below. Create an account, open at least one trade, and you will be eligible for the next $100 giveaway. So this offer is based on first come, first serve, and offer ends on January 29. So the next result will be on January 29. The winners will be posted in our free public Telegram group. So feel free to create an account. No KYC, no VPN required. Just create an account, easy as 5 minutes, deposit, trade, and that's it. If you don't want to verify your account, you can use FairDesk. But if you can verify your account, you can head on to BYBIT. New partnership right now. BYBIT, up to 30,000 deposit blast off. Plus, you will get access into our Discord, guys. One of the trades, by the way, today. Let's go to the charts first, and I'm going to share with you one of the trades in our Discord today. So watch out for Dogecoin. Right now, this was the previous long position, guys, and we have hit the final target for Dogecoin. And looking at the daily time frame, we're going to zoom out. Look at this, guys. MACD, or the oscillator, is looking super bullish on the daily time frame. And of course, we got a beautiful bounce here from the 200 exponential moving average. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bounce, guys. Beautiful bounce from this 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. And this looks like a possible wedge, falling wedge. Let's try to check the lower time frames. So we have this breakout, and this could be a retest of support here. Let me just delete all of this. So this one right here, we have actually a trend line. Trend line here. Let me just find a good one. So it looks like we have a trend line here, and then we have seen a breakout and a retest of support here. So probably I'm right now holding a long position of Dogecoin. So probably I would set my stop loss just a little bit below this order block at around 0.79. Possible target. So let's try to measure. We have actually support here. So let's try to get the adjacent side of this. So this is going to be the next possible breakout target for Dogecoin, and that will give us around 15%, guys. And this is in confluence with the previous resistance here. A lot of resistance at around this level. So this is a beautiful target, and of course beautiful resistance point for Dogecoin. So that is going to be my trade setup for short term. So that will be around 0.9, and that will give us at around 15% from the current level. I will set my stop loss just a little bit below this order block. So this will invalidate this breakout. And of course, long term, X or payments, X payments could actually accept or potentially accept Dogecoin as a payment in the future, guys. Doge parabolic run with expectation of $11 makes that makes no sense. Even $1 will not make sense for Dogecoin. Did he mention $11? Where is that tweet? It doesn't mention $11 anywhere here. Oh, this one right here. that is of course outrageous target, and that is less likely, unlikely. Even $1 is still very much unlikely for the current market cap of Dogecoin. But we are just speculating the smaller time frame. 15% gain. So this is going to be our speculation. We are not going to hold Dogecoin for long term. I'm not trading meme coins. I'm not holding meme coins for long term. I'm holding mostly blue chips, guys. So if you have been watching my live streams and my portfolio, it's mostly conservative coins like the major blue chips, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I sometimes throw like $100 in some of the meme coins. That is a very, very small amount that I can afford to lose, guys. $100, $200, $500, just purely speculation. Very, very small amount, of course, and only invest what you can afford to lose in this meme coins, microchips, cryptos, of course, because this could also do some crazy gains. Trading altcoins, microchips, or microcaps could give you unbelievable returns because of their market cap number or level. So next one, we are going to talk about Polygon MATIC. So Polygon MATIC, guys, is right now hovering on this very, very, very critical support. So this is actually one of the trades in our Discord today. So I am speculating a possible short-term bounce. So hopefully we could get a one more bounce from this level, guys, because if you are going to zoom out on the 1 hour time frame, we have this level right here as the previous support and pivot point for Polygon MATIC, and we have seen a significant move for Polygon or MATIC in a while. So let's check how long is Polygon MATIC has been consolidating from this level, guys. So let's see the date from this. 75 days or around three months. Polygon has been trading at around this level, guys. Look at this. We have seen the bounce drop to this level, bounce a little bit, drop back to this level, and then bounce up to 0.1 to $1 again, revisited this level right here. And then we have seen another move up to $1 area. But again, a nasty drop to this level right here, 0.73. But again, another bounce at this level. So right now, MATIC is again on this level, guys, hovering on this level. This is not, by the way, not a financial advice. This is one of the trades in our Discord. I'm going to share with you the actual trade. Let me just open Discord very quick here. So we have actually a lot of selling pressure at around this level. This is going to be a short-term trade. So we are speculating a possible 6% move from this zone here, and if we get lucky enough, so we might see a possible short-term bounce from this level. But again, MATIC has been trading or consolidating on this level for almost 75 days, and if we can break above this 200 level, then this might change, guys. This level or this target right here might change. Then we could hit another possible. MATIC could possibly hit or trade back to $1 level, and that will give us at around 33%. But right now we are speculating a small move here at around this level, because we have seen Polygon MATIC or MATIC bounce from this level several times, guys. And if we are going to look at the 4-hour time frame, the oscillator right now still looking weak, but this is approaching the overbought area. We have seen a reversal here previously, and right now we are approaching the same level. So let's see, let's cross our fingers that we might get a bounce from this level. So this is still a high probability trade. We have this order block, 57 million at around 0.79 up to 0.8. This is in confluence with a 50 exponential moving average resistance short term. But looking at the 4-hour time frame, we still have this 200 exponential moving average sitting around 0.84 level, and that is going to be a good target if we can see a bounce from this level right here. Let's see how it plays in the coming days. Again, Bitcoin, it all depends on Bitcoin, guys. If Bitcoin drop below that critical support, then we might see a nasty drop in most of this altcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is still holding on this level. So let's hope for the best. Oscillator right now is in the oversold area. Let's just hope we can get a small bounce up to this level. Then altcoins, most of our altcoin trade are going to hit the short-term target. So that's for Polygon MATIC. Next one is ETC, guys. ETC, double bearish divergence on the daily time frame. If you have missed the previous buy zone, spot buy zone at $19 right now, ETC is back to the previous breakout point, guys. So what you can see here, we have this level as the previous resistance. Rejection from this level, another rejection right here, another rejection here, another one, reversal candle, rejection here, rejection, and then a massive breakout. Right now, we are on the process of retesting this as a support. So we have this 50 exponential moving average in confluence with the support trend line, guys. So we are right now near the buy zone. So my range here will be around this level, guys. This is a huge range, possibly a good spot buy zone, because if we are going to see a rally on Ethereum, then I'm expecting a very good run for Ethereum Classic. And again, my target will be around $42 here, and that is still a very good amount of profit from the current level. That will give us 83.75. So let's hope that BTC will move on a sideways for several days. If that is going to happen, then we might see a short-term run in most of our altcoins. And right now, majority of the altcoins like Polygon MATIC is sitting on a very critical, crucial support. But if this will hold, then this could be a very good buy zone right now. So also, ETC is hovering on a retest area and buy zone short term. Again, not a financial advice. This was my previous buy zone right here, which has given us a beautiful amount of profit, almost 68%. We have hit this target right here, and right now we are on this level again for ETC. Next one, what do we have here? So I have this long position, guys. I have this long DCA long position for Dogecoin, Ethereum, ETC. I am still holding my short position for Bitcoin. And let's go on with the chart request. So what do we have today? I think we have OP. And let me check. Let's go check out OP. I'm sure I've seen another one. Ace from Shani. Let me know if you are still watching this live stream. We are live for 40 minutes. Let's go check out OP very quick. Let's go check out OP. Thank you, by the way, for Matthews for bringing up the $11 target. That is totally very unlikely for Dogecoin. Even $1 target is still very unlikely for Dogecoin as of the moment. But $11 will be super unlikely. Rashad is requesting as well for Vi. So let's go check out OP very quick and Vi, because we are already over time. Again, I was planning to do a quick live stream. Let's do an OP chart. OP looking bearish. Oh my goodness, this is already on a on the verge of breaking below the support. Similar with Bitcoin. So let's see. %. Looking bearish. Again, all the prices or the price is trading right now below 200 exponential moving average and below this 50 exponential moving average in the 4-hour time frame, and we could see a possible bearish cross here in the 4-hour time frame. The 50 exponential moving average crossing below 200 exponential moving average will be a bearish cross in the 4-hour time frame. So right now OP is still looking very bearish here, but we are right now on the short-term support. But look at this, guys, crazy gap, fair value gap. We have fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. Huge gap here, guys. So we have this fair value gap for OP. How many percent is this? Wow, this is a nasty, nasty drop, guys. We have, of course, a bearish divergence here. So the price is forming higher highs while the oscillator fails to make a new high on the daily time frame. That was a bearish divergence at this point right here. We'll miss this trade here. So bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Oscillator is still approaching the overbought area, and of course we have this this actually a break of support on the daily time frame. So the price right now is trading below this area right here, guys, and this looks bearish on the daily time frame. The price is trading below the 50 exponential moving average. We might get a small bounce from this support because we have this candle wicks right here, previous wicks. So we have a small buy pressure at around this area, but overall daily time frame looking bearish on OP. 4-hour time frame similar, looking bearish. We might get a small bounce, possibly 10% possible retest of this area. So if we can get a retest, guys, we can get a retest, probably I'm gonna look for a possible short at around this level here. So that will give us, ideally, you would set your stop loss a little bit below this candle wick right here. So that will give us 14% versus 30% reward for OP. But let's go check out. Let's try to do a, let's try to limit the risk. So probably 9%. So I would set my stop loss just a little bit above all of this order blocks here. Ideally, you would set your stop loss just a little bit above this candle wick on the 4-hour time frame. So that will be my risk to reward ratio. Possible swing trade on the 4-hour time frame for OP. So probably we might get a small bounce from this level, or if we break down below, and that will be our confirmation for a possible short position. So this level right here, 2.95, 4-hour candle closing below this level will be our confirmation for a possible further drop to the downside for OP, guys. So let me share this one in our Discord watch list channel. All right, so that's for OP. So one of the trades today, guys, that I have shared in our Discord was Polygon MATIC long, guys, at around this level. This was the exact chart that you are looking at right now. So we have hit the TP2 actually today, or probably TP3. 0.78 today. So congratulations. We have made small amount in this trade. $100 trade. We have made $25 profit on MATIC trade. I'm still holding my trade, by the way, not a financial advice. So I think that's it for now, guys. We don't have much time. We are live for almost 46 minutes. Vi chart, I'm gonna share it in our Discord community for a shot, one of our VIPs in Discord. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. And again, I will be doing live streams because I have received a lot of message about doing live stream. I made a poll on Twitter and of course on YouTube whether you prefer short videos or live stream, and we have received a lot of a poll result requesting for short videos, but also a lot of DMs in Discord and in Telegram about doing a live stream. So we'll continue doing live stream, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to smash that like, support the channel, share this video to everyone you know, and of course click that notification bell if you are new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.